Happy Vlogmas Day 23. I am wrapping presents and getting them ready for Katie. So this is a Walmart beauty box that I had gotten. So I emptied it out and I put a Coach phone case / wallet in here. And of course I put a little bit of money in there because you can't give a wallet or a purse without some money or it's bad luck. My grandmother taught me that. So I put some money in there, and there's a little change purse in there, so I put some change and some bills, so she has it all. And then on top of that, I'm going to put these Kleenex wet wipes that came in the beauty thing, and these little sample things that came in it. And I think I'm going to even put this sample in there if it fits, and this sample in there. That way she's kind of like, okay, Mom, thanks. And I will put this cover on here, and that's one present. And then I have this 3-day whitening boost kit that also came in there. I don't know that I will give this to her. I might just stick it in Dennis's stocking. I have this journal. It says, in your presence there is fullness of joy, Psalm 16:11. This is a journal for your Bible readings, and it's from May Designs. And I'm going to wrap that and give that to her. I also have this Little Critters bedtime story boxed set, and it just has 5 different books. If you guys recall, she is going to be a teacher, so it has 5 little books in there, and I'm going to wrap that, so that'll be a present for her. And then her big present is this Coach bag. She wanted a teacher bag. So this is going to be for her, and it opens here. If I can get it with one hand. And there's a little pocket in the back, and I put just a couple of dollars in there so that she can have that. Because again, I don't want to give anything empty. And I put a little bit of money in there, and then I also put a little bit of money in the other side. Here and here, there's pockets in both of those, so I filled up the pockets with just a little bit of cash, not a lot. And then I filled this with some books that some of them were her favorites when she was a kid, and some of them are kind of newer and funny. This one's called The Wonky Donkey. There's Skippy John Jones, which is fabulous. These Little Critter books, which is kind of like the other one, but we just love Little Critter. So there's that, and then here's a Olivia book, which she loved, and there's another Skippy John Jones, and then there is the Guess How Much I Love You book with Little Nut Brown Hair. I love that book. And then I gave her a little ID holder, which is also Coach, and it's super cute. It matches this beautifully, the pink. And it just has an ID holder on the back. I put a little bit of money in there. I put some change in the change pocket part. And yeah, I think that's really cute. So she will like that. And those are her big gifts that I'm going to wrap right now. I don't know exactly how I'm going to wrap it, but I'll figure that out. Oh, she has one more thing over here. I forgot. Well, I got her these shirts off of Amazon. There's a pink one and a navy blue one. And those are to go under the handmade sweater that I made for her. That I think turned out pretty nicely. So I hope that she likes that. So I'm going to wrap those together. And then I also got her a vest. It's a Calvin Klein, like one of those poofy vests. And it looks really cute. I think she'll like that a lot. And then in here are her pajamas. Let me open this and then I will be right back. I like to give pajamas on Christmas Eve. And these are fleece pajamas with little pizzas on them. Aren't they cute? It's a medium. They didn't have small. And then it had said in the thing that they recommended going up a size, especially with the pants. So I'm figuring for PJs, it'll be fine to have a little bit big. I don't think that she'll care. So that is going to be her Christmas Eve gift. So I am going to get to wrapping. I also need to wrap. It's mostly Katie's wrapping today. And that's probably all I will really show you, except for I also have a Yeti mug or cup or whatever that I got for Dennis. And it is Spider-Man or something like that. Maybe it's the Hulk. I don't know. Oh, no, it's Spider-Man. So kind of cool. I think he'll like that a lot. kind of neat. Okay, so that's that. Thanks, guys. Happy Vlogmas Day 23. So Vlogmas Day 23 is coming to an end, and I realized I haven't done much as far as the Vlogmas goes, but I made my pies, and I had a great lunch with my brother, and we went to church, and it's been a great day. I've done a lot. I just haven't vlogged anything. But let me show you these wonderful looking pies. This is them. They are called Dixie pies, and they're kind of like pecan pies, only you use walnuts and chocolate chips. So I just have to let them cool, but I am excited about them. They look really good. So I turned off the oven. I'm just gonna let them sit out and cool off, and then they will be ready for tomorrow. All right, I'm closing this now, and I will put some pictures at the end of my brother and my nieces. And yeah, we had a great day. I don't know that I told you guys anything about it, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, that sounds silly. It doesn't matter. Of course it matters. Of course it matters. But what I was saying was that, you know, I mean, the ins and outs of what went down, it's not a big deal. But we had lunch together and just chatted away, and it was my brother and his wife and his 2 kids, and then it was Katie and me and Dennis, and we just had a really nice lunch, and then we went to the grocery store and got a few things that we needed, and then came home for a little bit before we went to church, and then now I am home after church, and I just baked those pies, and then Leo is having Christmas with Katie tomorrow night, which is my ex-husband, and so we're going to celebrate Christmas Eve tonight. I'm going to let her open her package, which is some pajamas, but right now she and Dennis are seeing Aquaman, so I'm glad they're having some fun together and that they're enjoying that. And then I'm also glad that I get some time to the house by myself, and I might even rest my eyes for a little bit. I'm kind of tired. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you tomorrow.